Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create AI image for free. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating AI generated image for free on Windows 11 can be achieved using various online tools and platforms that offer AI art generators. One popular option is Deep Dream Generator, which allows you to apply neural network algorithms to your image. And here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open your web browser on Windows 11 and visit the Deep Dream Generator. Step 2. Why you can't use the tool without an account? Creating one allows you to save and manage your generated image. If desired, sign up for free account. Step 3. Click on the Generate button to choose an image from your PC. Choose a photo that you want to transform using AI by clicking on the image. Then hit Upload. Hit Open. Click the photo. Step 4. Deep Dream Generator provides various settings for adjusting the style and intensity of the AI transformation, and add modifiers on random. They can provide you some modifications, and exceptionally by typing those modifications you want to apply on your image. Explore these options based on your preferences. Step 5. After uploading the image, adjusting settings, click on the Start or Generate button to initiate the AI image generation process. Step 6. The tool will take some time to process and generate the AI enhanced version of your image. The processing time may vary depending on the complexity of the image and server load. Step 7. Once the processing is complete, you'll be presented with the transformed image. Download the image to your Windows 11 device. Step 8. Deep Dream Generator often provides multiple filters and styles. Feel free to experiment with different options to create unique AI-generated image. Notes: ensure that your web browser and Windows 11 system meet the requirements for using those online tools effectively. By following these steps, you can create AI-generated image for free on your Windows 11 using online platforms and leverage neural network algorithms. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.